Hello guys, welcome to my channel Code with Sid. So in this video I will share my Android project named Digital Factory, which is an e-commerce application through which a user can buy online digital stuff without going to market. So let's start with the working of my app. So my app will work in two views. The first one is admin panel and the second one is user panel. So here is the first UI of admin panel and second there is UI of user panel. Now let's start with the admin panel, as admin is the heart of this application, as admin has all the rights to control the functionality for order processing and product management. At first the admin will log in with his credential, then he will reach to the admin homepage firstly, as the admin has the right to modify product module under which he can perform three activities. Either he can add the products, or he can delete the product, or he can modify the product, as if he needs to modify the product name, the product description and the change price. The products are stored in database, so upon using above three functions, the product database will be altered automatically. Also, the admin has right to see the orders made by different users, hence he can see each order and can process them for shipping. Like he can track the order or fulfill the order by approving the shipping for the particular order to the address mentioned by the user. Now let's talk about user panel. Hence, a user will have to register himself in the application if he is new to app. Upon registering, he will have to enter his credential in the app so that he can register himself and his account can be created. So, if a user is already registered, he can directly go to the login page, upon where he will have to fill a credential like phone number and his password, so he can successfully log in the app. Upon a successful login, he can be prompted to the product page, from where he can choose a variety of products. If he likes a product and want to buy, he can also add the product to cart. Also, he can see the reviews for specific products and can add his own reviews. If the user made his mind for confirming the order, he can confirm his order by clicking on confirm final order after filling some details. So his order will be confirmed and can be received by admin successfully. Now the main point of this app is it is made for a wholesale business. Hence, upon confirming your final order, you will not be able to add any product in your cart until the admin processes your current order. So this is the main note for this application. Let's talk about the feature of the app. So the first feature is Remember Me. If a user doesn't want to enter his login detail repeatedly, he can simply click on Remember Me checkbox. So the other time when the user login in the app, he will not have to enter his details, he can directly log into the product page. The second feature is Forget or Recover Password. If the user forget his password, or he want to reset his password, or he want to recover his old password, he can simply recover his password by clicking on Recover Password, and the recover password will simply request you to add your registered mobile number and your registered email ID. After filling the correct details, the user will be able to recover his password. Then the third feature is auto fetching of location. So this is the most important feature. So in this feature, it is made possible that if you don't want to enter your location, so you simply click on detect my location, and the application will auto fetch your location and will fill your address detail automatically. The fourth feature is adding to cart feature. If a user like a specific product and he wants to add in a specific category, so he can simply click on the button add to cart, and the specific product will be added to cart, and the user can also edit or remove the product. The fifth feature is reviews. So the user can see reviews for a particular product, and also he can add a review. Now the next features are tracking of order. After confirming your order, you will be able to track your current order. It will show you every detail related to your orders. And the next feature is order history. After your order is made successful, you will see your order history. The order history will contain the details for in which date you have made your order, through which name and address. And the next feature is search product. In this feature, you can search for a specific product by entering the keywords. If you want a full playlist on Android Studio tutorial in which we will also cover this particular project, so kindly let me know in the comment section.